Hey, what's up everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. Got this 2024 Polaris RZR XP4 1000. Want to talk to you real quick about the Tusk Cargo Barricade. This is just a simple little accessory that bolts right in your factory locations and just makes the rear of the bed a little bit taller just for a little bit of added security so you don't have to worry about your items possibly falling out of the bed. Like I said, super easy to install because you don't have to do any modification. It just bolts right in. This is all made from powder coated steel, and I like it that it just gives a nice cool look to the back of your UTV. So if you like to use your bed space and you just like a little bit more security, the Barricade is the way to go. If you have questions, comments about this, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com to get yours. Leave your questions down below. We'll get those answered. They're machine specific. We make these for other vehicles, so just make sure to enter the year, make, and model of the UTV that you have, and that will ensure that you get proper fitment. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks, and if you want to stay up to date on cool accessories like this Barricade, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. As you can see with this 24 XP4 1000, there's a lot of other cool accessories from Tusk that we have mounted up. So to check all those out, on our homepage, just enter your machine information and you will see everything that will fit your side-by-side. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.